Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. Next, cosine x squared multiplied by number 1 tan x and tan x squared. So we know that tan x, that is about sine x over cosine x. This one, that is about sine x squared over cosine x squared. So cosine x squared simplified by cosine x. This one and this one we simplified. Now I will put this one go to the left. So this one equals to number 1. This one, that is about sine 2x. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, that is about x. The integration of negative sine 2x, that is about positive 1 over 2 cosine 2x. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.